have 10 variables. We will move on for the demonstration of linking the data with Photoshop, so that with one click you will be able to generate any number of certificates. Am I clear to you? Any number of certificates. It's a very simple concept. I will explain you. So be ready with the data set of 10: name, institution, and the photo. If you are not able to copy, just keep it. I will give you another methodology to copy the photo. Am I clear? Just keep it in a folder, so that we are going to have linking of data with Photoshop. Am I clear to you? So with one click, you will be able to generate many, number of certificates, number of ID cards. Anything can be done. I will give you two models also, ID card as well as certificate. Am I clear to you? So just get ready tomorrow with the model certificate and with the model ID card. Right. Now I'll move on for the other option. Right. Now look at here. I'm going to give you option of this image completely with this image. Okay, image adjustments. You're going to see everything here. Image adjustments and other options like filter option. All these filters we are going to see. Am I clear to you? All these filters, image, adjustments, and filter. All these filters we are going to work with. Right. I'm going to taking up an image. Okay, I've got an image. So please carefully note it. Minor modifications only there. Minor changes will be there. You have to keenly listen and note it down. So use it wherever it is feasible. Right. So we are going for mode first. Mode. What do you mean by mode? I told you on the other day. First, when we began the class, mode that defines the color pattern. For example, when I click grayscale, completely it goes in grayscale. Okay, the olden days. Bitmap means it's like a painting. Then it is not relevant to bitmap, so it doesn't. Duotone means two colors. See, usually we go for sometimes for example black and white. That is duotone. Two colors. If two colors are involved, then duotone. It's not. Okay. Indexed color means, see, when I click here, see, look at here. These are all indexed colors. For example, look at here, palettes. See, so many palettes are available. See, when we go in detail, then it will be very tedious or technical, too technical. See, there are so many palettes. For example, Mac OS, color palette for Mac OS, color palette for system, color palette for web, uniform, local. All these things are too technical, right? Just to know about indexed color. Now, but for example, we need to know only these. For example, RGB, CMYK, lab color. These three things we must remember. RGB, that we do it for computer-based design, and CMYK, that we do it for printing. If we give printing for press or for newspapers and other printing in a bulk, so we go for CMYK. Also for flux banners. Okay, that works based on 4-color channel. Multi-channel means several colors. Lab color means we work photos to be printed. Okay, we work on photos to be printed. That's what we call by multi-channel. Okay, right. So please be sure of RGB, CMYK, and lab color. Right. Okay. When you click, that will be enabled. Okay, right. Go for adjustments. Now levels. I just click levels. The shortcut key for levels is Control L. Please make note of it. The shortcut key for level is Control L. I want you to note it down. The shortcut key for, now we are going to see adjustments of any layer. Any layer can be selected, and out of which whatever adjustment that we could do. That's what we know by image adjustments, right? Okay. Now levels. When I click here, look at here. See, output level. For example, look at here. See here. When I go towards this, it is very light. It becomes very light. When I go towards this, it becomes very darker. You can make a picture very dark or light. And look at here. When I adjust the input level, look at here. See here. Based on the graph, I'm able to make it bright or adjust. See here. Am I clear? Manually you adjust and see how it looks like. Am I clear to you? See, you can also, for example, Look at here, channels, you can choose it. For example, I want to increase red color in Rajini's face. See, I just click red color. Now look at here. I'm reducing red color. See, actually, see here. Am I clear? See. Red channel, adjustment of red channel, red color or red alone. See here. I want to do it for green. Look at here. See, completely I can go for green. See here, greenish. Am I clear to you? So adjust the levels and see here. Completely green we get. This side we get reddish. So adjust and see. For example, likewise blue color. For example, when I adjust here, I get bluish color. Am I clear? So you can get the channel. If it is multi-channel, for example, it works based on the channel that you choose. For example, mode, I select CMYK. Look at here. When I go to image, adjustments, levels, see. For example, only based on the cyan, magenta color, yellow, see. I just click yellow, see. Only yellowish channel that works. See here. Make it yellow. And magenta, look at here. Magenta. See here, I get magenta color, magenta. Right. When you adjust now, you will get the changes. You just move the knob left to right and the output levels, you will get the difference, right? Okay. So I have chosen again mode RGB, so that only RGB color comes, that is level. Auto level means is, every picture will have its level, its own level. I click here, see auto level. This is the auto level of this picture. That is Shift Control L. Shift Control L. Level is the adjustments of colors. So auto level is Shift Control L. Ordinary level is Control L. Contrast. You all know what I mean by contrast. Contrast that increases the depth of the color. For example, look at here. I'm going to adjust the brightness and contrast. Look at here. I just click brightness. I increase the brightness. And see, I increase the contrast also. See the contrast. Originally, the picture was like this, but I'm able to increase the brightness and the contrast, the depth of the color. That's what we mean by contrast. Right? Once again, adjustments, brightness and contrast. When you click here, you can adjust left to right. For example, I'm reducing the brightness. See, I increase the brightness. And the contrast, see, reduce it and increase it. You see the difference? So this is brightness and contrast. Now, you go on auto contrast. Alt Shift Control. See, this is what, when I click auto contrast, it comes as auto contrast. Alt, the contrast which is fit for the picture. Alt Shift Control L. Keep that in your mind. Alt Shift Control Shift. Then auto color. Auto color. I click auto color. So whatever color that is fitting the image will set. See, previously this was like this, and this is now. This is not the auto color. Okay, am I clear? See, this is auto color. Auto color, Shift Control B. Shift Control B. Now I just choose curves. Control M. Shortcut key is Control M. Look at here. Wherever you want the brightness, for example, look at here. See, adjust. See. You can adjust accordingly. You will get the brightness or the contrast. See, when you go this side, the contrast increases. When you go this side, the saturation of the color comes. Saturation. See here. When I increase, the saturation comes. So when I make it here, see, make the changes, you will see. You will be able to see the difference. Right? Look at here. This side it is saturation. This side it is contrast. The above. Okay, that you can adjust it. You can even change the color channel here. For example, red alone. I want to change the red color alone. Look at here. See, red alone is reduced. When you take this side, red alone will be increased. Am I clear? See. When I take here, red will be decreased. Red will be removed. If the picture is too much reddish, we can remove it. Right? See, I choose green color. See, when I take it down, the green will be removed. When I take it on the top, the green will be enhanced. Am I clear to you? And blue. Look at here. When I take it down, the blue is removed. When I take it up, blue is increased. Okay. See, adjust and see. Right. Now, color balance. I click over here. Now look at here. Red green is here. I can increase and decrease, adjust. See, there are two tones here. For example, shadows. I increase. See here what I increase the red color. I increase the red color, right? And mid-tones, see, I increase the red color. It looks gentle. But with the shadows, no, look at here. See, it's too darker. Now mid-tones, see. Highlights. For highlights, how, look at here. Very clear. So red color, I can increase or decrease. Yeah, I increase the green or decrease. Or increase yellow or increase blue. See here. So you can adjust. Out of all these, mid-tone and highlights will be better. You know, when you increase the shadow, it will be darker. It will be too darker. So you can adjust cyan, magenta, cyan, color balance. You can increase or decrease the colors in the face, or you can also do it in the selected area. For example, look at here. I'm just selecting the face alone. See, at random I'm just selecting the face alone. Only to the face, or randomly I'm choosing. Okay, right, look at here. I go adjustments, color balance. Am I clear to you? Look at here. I can increase. See, only the brightness of the face alone has been increased. Face alone, not the other portions. Face alone. See, earlier it was like this. See, are you able to see brightness? Look at the brightness. See, it's brighter now. Clear. So like this, you can change the color of the image. Are we clear? Right. Now again, I go to brightness and contrast. Do you have any clarification with all these things before I move on for the next one? Do you have any clarification? I want you to apply and see everything. Apply and see, then you will be able to find the difference, right? You will have to apply and see, you will be able to make the differences. I want you to make it. Just select an area and choose it. Okay, select an area and do it. Right. Then we go for black and white. Alt Shift Control P. I just make it see here. See here, only the selected portion alone is made as black and white. Look at here. See. In the black and white, among the black and white, see, when you make changes with all these colors, then you will get this. See, there are so many, for example, blue filter. Okay, blue alone, blue, based on all this green filter. See, highlight, contrast, blue filter. See, so many. See, very bright, high contrast red filter. You can apply all these things for, see here, infrared. See the difference. You must be familiar with all these differences. See here, it looks better. See, only the selected area, he looks better. Grayscale, but he looks brighter and better. Like earlier, it was like this. So please be thorough with, based on the usage only, you will come to know all these things, right? Okay. That is black and white. Black, out of black and white, you have so many things to be adjusted and corrected. So look at here. So many filters are here. Based on that, you will get a see here, high contrast. You see, it looks very dark. It makes him very dark. For example, if you are drawing, if you are portraying a man who is, hard working. For magazine design, no? For magazine design covers, you can use this. You can think of all these when you go for deeper picture analysis based on some themes, right? Okay, bye. I shall move on to the next. Now, hue saturation. As you all know very clearly, hue saturation that you have, see here, adjustments of color. See here, I'm able to make changes in the color. For example, I increase here, I can saturate the same color. Look at here. I'm saturating. Saturating means contrast of the color is decreased. When you do it like this, the contrast of the color increases. Kindly hold on for a moment. I'm very sorry. Yes, am I clear to you? See, look at here. See, I can increase, select any color. On the top, hue is that chooses the color, right? And here, for example, choose a portion and you can saturate the color. Look at here. I can increase the color depth and I can reduce the color depth, or reduce the color strength. And you can make it light or you can make it dark. All these are possible. This is with hue saturation. For example, I want to increase the yellow salon. For example, see, yellow salon. I increase. I can saturate. Am I clear to you? The red salon, red alone. See, I can adjust based on the red color. Greens, based on the green color, I can adjust. So you can do anything with hue saturation. Any layer can be changed with the color, even backgrounds. For example, look at here, I just choose a background. For example, I have chosen this. It can be changed. I go to image, hue saturation. See here. Sorry. See here. I change the colors and I can saturate it. See here, I can saturate. Saturate means reduce the color brightness or color thickness or strength of the color. And I can go for light. See here, I can make it light or dark. Okay, so that is hue saturation. Okay, hue saturation is to change the color. For example, you can select the shirt color alone. For example, I just choose this picture, the coat. Vadivelu coat. I'm going to choose. I have chosen. See, I've chosen the coat alone. I go to image, adjustments, hue saturation. See here. See the color of the coat. Look at here. Earlier, the color of the coat was something different. See, I can adjust the saturation. See here. I can increase or decrease and saturate it. Okay. Clear? See the difference. Even now, I shall just try it. Look at here. If you see the various color changes that it can be made. I can saturate or increase the contrast. I can make it light or dark. Okay, earlier it was like this. The code was like this. See the difference? Am I clear to you? So I can change anything, right? With the color tones. Right. Now desaturate. Hue saturation, it is control U. It is control U. So hue that changes the color and the saturation that increase the strength, decrease the strength of the color, and the brightness or light. You can see here the lightness. You can increase darker or see here lighter. You can do that. So these are all these three details. Right. We move on for the next. Desaturate. Control Shift U. Desaturate. Control Shift U. I just click over here. See what if I desaturate, that completely changes the color. Look at it. It was bright like this. Okay, I just click here. Go desaturate it completely. Set whatever the just opposite color that you get. You get the color and you get it. For example, previously whatever was there, that will be given. That's what we mean by desaturation. Desaturation, right? Clearly, for example, I've chosen this eye yellow. See, I've chosen this. And go to images, desaturate. Look at here. Completely the color is removed. That's what we mean by desaturation. All the colors will be and match color. Now look at here. I've chosen the boat again. I go to adjustments and select match color. Look at here. When you increase, you can look at here. Clearly you see, this is what we call the luminance, right? Do you get the difference? See, mild difference. See, here it increases the dark intensity. That's what we call the luminance. See, it becomes brighter. The same face. See, I'm trying to choose the face. Look at here. Earlier, it was like this. It was like this original. Now look at here. See the difference? Because of the luminance. See the thickness. Now what do? I just choose the face just to show you a model. I've chosen it. Adjustments. Match color. See the brightness, see. Immediately, brightness can be increased with the same tone without spoiling the picture, without increasing the contrast. Same tone is bright. We have made it bright. And the color intensity, look at here. See, color intensity, it makes it much more brighter. Yeah, I just reduce the intensity, look at it. Now, see, I can give much more. See, when I increase fade, you see the difference? Lighter difference that it will. Click neutralize, then it will make it perfect. When you click neutralize, it will make it perfect. Okay, now look at it. Look at this picture. Originally, it was like this. See, I'm able to make some changes in the face. So just try to make use of all these. Like the replace color. I just click replace color. For example, I choose a particular portion here. I've chosen a face. I go to adjustments and click replace. Look at here. Select the color and replace with whatever the color that you want. The color impact will be there. Increase and see. The color impact will be there. Okay, the color chosen, no? The color impact will be there. Adjust it and see.
Sorry.
Yeah, yes. Yes, madam.
Your voice.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Madam, tell me. Yeah.
Your voice is this is breaking.
How long, sister? Am I audible to you all? Am I audible? Am I audible to you all?
I'm not sure. Yes, sir. This.
Am I audible to you, everyone?
Now it was.
Sister, I think your line is weak, sister.
Yes, sir.
Sister, everyone says I'm audible to everyone. I think your internet. Please check your internet, sister. Connectivity. Sister.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Nelson, sir, how to see the original and the current one?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, yeah. Thank you, sister. Mr. Nelson, you can see the difference in the palette itself. When you adjust, in the palette itself, you will see the difference. Okay, you will see the difference on the top. You cannot compare it. You just press Control Z, you will be able to control it. Yeah, the original and see, the thing is that once you become expert, all these that we have seen, image adjustments, that will be useful to work with photos. Am I clear? To work with photos, to work with the color balances of the face or an image or a picture or a figure. Okay, right. Now look at here. And take here, look at here. See? Am I clear? I'm making green. See? Look at the result also comes here. Whatever color that you want, the result also comes here. You choose the color and see, choose the color and adjust here. For example, look at here. See the color. Now you get something different. Look at here. Am I clear to you? See, when you adjust, you'll be able to get some brighter color, right? See, look at here. This looks brighter. I can even adjust it, and this color looks brighter, very natural also. Look at here. The previous, this color is better than the previous color, right? Previous it was reddish, now it is better. Okay, so you can select it and you can increase and adjust. This is with match color. Okay, sorry, replace color. Match color is different. Match color I should show you luminance and other things. Look at here. See here, luminance, color intensity, right? This replace color, you will have to choose the color first, then adjust it. Adjust the lightness. Then you adjust it. You can adjust it accordingly. The color difference will be there. For example, look at here. See, you can make the difference. Right? See, you will have to see. For example, if you are working with the photo or the face, you will have to select the face first, then adjust the knobs. You will get it, right? For example, you want to work with the color. For example, you want to work with this color. You just select the port alone, then adjust all these hues, saturation, lightness. Then you will get the difference. Am I clear to you? Right. Now I shall move on to the next. Selective color. I just choose here. See, you can choose the color, and accordingly, for example, I choose yellow. Now adjust here. You can adjust both sides and see the difference. You can adjust magenta. See, you can adjust it. Yellow, you can adjust it either this side or this side. Black, you can adjust it. See here. See the difference. Are you able to see the difference between the previous one and this color? See, the selected, look at the selected area and other portions. Selected portion that looks brighter than the other area, other portions, right? So once again, I shall show you. This is selective color. You choose a color, for example, choose blue color or black or anything. Adjust it, then you will get the color difference, right? And Nelson asked me about the preview. For example, whatever that you adjust now, you will immediately get the preview. You will get the preview immediately. See, since the green is not obvious here in this picture, you are not able to get it. See, when I click preview, you don't see the preview. So you will be able to get the difference there with the previous image. You will immediately see the result here. Okay. So I just click yellow. Now see the difference. I've got some differences. So adjust and see, you will get the difference, right? All these are to work with images, right? Channel mixer. I just click over here. This is called channel mixer. I click over here. You get, see, red color is increased to 100%. Now I increase, see the green, the blue. See, you get the difference. Adjust it and you'll get the difference. You increase the contrast, decrease the contrast. Particularly for red alone. For example, green. I want to reduce red. Even selecting the face, you can adjust a bit and make people brighter. You will have to make it slight changes. Only then you will be able to get it. See here, there are 3 channels here. Based on the choice that you have chosen, no, accordingly you will get the differences also. Right? This is select channel mixer and gradient map. When I click here, I can see here. See here. See. Based on the color mode, see, look at here. Sometimes look at here. See, based on the color mode that you choose. For example, see, I want to take it as Indian color. See. Gradient. Based on the choice that you choose. Am I clear? This is gradient. Okay, you know it. This is gradient. I'm just making it common for all, common for the entire picture. Make adjustments and click gradient map. Look at here. The entire picture changes. Look at here. You can adjust it and see. Look at it. Clear. This is gradient map. Based on the colors, you will be able to get that image. And photo filter. I just click over here. See, I choose the color. For example, I choose this color. Just select it here. Choose the color. Choose the color source here. Just increase the intensity. Only that color intensity. See here, are you able to get the difference? Look at it. See, it was like this, but I have increased it. Got the difference? Intensity of the color is increased. That is photo filter. Shadow and highlight. I just click over here. Look at it. See, the shadow is increased and it looks like a. Look at it. See, the picture is like, you know, the depth of the picture is seen here. The originality. Depth. Clear to you? Highlight. You can even decrease it. Am I clear to you? The skin tone, look at the skin tone. It has strong, it is strong and thick as well. Right. I just go to exposure. Exposure also, look at here. See, it has got three options: exposure, offset, and gamma correction. See here, exposure. See, exposure means brightness, right? See, I just reduce the exposure. You can increase and reduce. Offset. Look at here. The gamma corrections, different colors. All these are connected with brightness. Can increase dark and brightness to the picture. Okay, that's what we mean by exposure. Right. Finally, we have got invert. Invert is completely changing into the opposite color. Inverse, negative image. Look at here. See, inverse. Once again, I shall do it. This inverse. Control I. Control I. Okay, that is inverse. Then equalize. When I click here, only one click it works. Equalize. Okay. Then we move on to the next one is threshold. Threshold is, look at here. You get the color that you get the least. See here. Painted picture like. Some magazines you can use it. So for older pictures, to represent the older pictures or some story pictures, you can use it. Adjust and see. Just like a painting, you will get it. We clear to you, just like painting, you will get it. Right? You can adjust and see. You can increase the threshold level, you can adjust and see. Okay, this is threshold. And the next one is posterize. Look at here. Like posters, for example. See, look at here, it is an increase, no? Decrease it, then you will feel that work. See here, see the difference? It's like offset posters. Look at here. See the color, see the face color. Okay, are you able to get it? Like a painting, like. Okay, am I clear? This is posterize. And variations. Look at here, very importantly, variations. You can get any color, for example. So I just go to image at the variations at the last. When I click here, look at here, completely I'll be able to make, see, more yellow color. See, I want to go for darker. I want to go for blue color. See, more red color. See, I can go for dark color. See, I can go for original picture. See here, look at the difference. You want this color, this color, this color. See, you can go for all these changes. Okay, here also you have options like shadows, midtones, highlights. Out of all these, highlights will be better. Shadows, midtones, highlights will be better, right? Okay, you can select the code. For example, if you want the code to be worked, you can select the code alone, not the entire face, entire figure. If you want to change the face alone, you can change it. You can adjust it by selecting. For example, if you want to go green, you can go. If in the green itself dark, see here, darker. If you want to go for lighter green, see, you can go. I want to go for red color, see, changes. So you can make the changes like this. This is variation, right? Am I clear to you? So my dear friends, you just go through all these today completely. Just select and adjust and see. Just put it in your mind that what are the adjustments to be off for image, working on images, working on pictures, okay, particularly the photos. Okay, please see all these things and get to know the shortcuts also. So out of which, see, hue saturation we often use, variations we often use, other things selectively based on the need we use when we work with photos. Okay, more on photos. So when you have free time, please go through all these options. Okay. So I wish you all the best to go through all these options. Any clarification with this? I think, see, on looking at it, you will not be able to feel it. You will not be able to get it in your mind. I have given you an introduction. I have given you an exposure of all these adjustments. Now it is up to you to make it on your own. Okay. Just take up a picture and adjust and see what do you get and store it in your mind. So when there is an occasion of working on the photo with particular option, you can use that, right? Okay. Now, as I told you, tomorrow please get ready with a certificate or an ID card. we will link with the database. I want everyone to attend the class tomorrow without fail, because otherwise you'll be missing the very important thing tomorrow, right? Okay. Any clarification? Any clarification? Any clarification? Any clarification? Any clarification or anything? So tomorrow, I think after completing the attendance thing, we will go for the filter options also. Filter options. With one click, we will be able to make paintings like
Yes, sir.
filter options. Yeah. Yes, sister. Yeah, please. I think you are not audible, sister. Please. Sister. Sister.
Can you hear me, sir, now?
Yeah, yeah. Say, tell me, sister. Tell me, sister.
Can yes, the
Okay.
first part
Sister, I couldn't get you, sister. You can put it as a message, sister. Please put it as a message, sister. Sister, put it as a message. Sister, I think there is a network issue, sister, from your side. Put it as a message, sister. We are unable to listen to you. Put it as a message, sister. Please give us a message, sister. I request you to sign the attendance. If any clarification, you can make it tomorrow. We have a meeting. I need to go. I just request you to just reserve your queries if any tomorrow. Okay, I want you to get ready for linking the certificate. Be ready with the certificate or linking the data with certificate or ID card. Kindly fill the attendance and given the attendance. I want you to please work on all these options. Be familiar with all these options. Please work on all the image adjustments. Work on, be familiar with the options. Shall we call it a day? I need to go for a meeting. Shall we call it a day? Kindly fill the attendance. Any clarification? If you have any clarification, yes. Sir? Tell me, sir. Yeah.
Sir, Excel நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருந்தப்ப நான் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்.
Okay.
அதனால என்னால கவனிக்க முடியல சார். ஒன் செகண்ட் ஒரு வாட்டி சொன்னீங்கன்னா.
No problem. But tomorrow only I'm taking up that. Okay, don't worry. You just get ready a certificate. Tomorrow I'm just taking it up. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I will have to leave for a meeting. Thank you very much. Kindly fill the attendance and leave. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you, sir.